Alright, so got a little SEGAL lock here. This one was giving me some trouble, but I think I can get them on camera. Got the keys. Got a high one, and then a few low ones, and then a high one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, for some reason I can always get. For some reason, I feel like I can get padlocks way easier than regular cylinders like this. But I'm gonna use top of the keyway, which is rare for me. Just recently started using it with a little wiper insert that I got. I'm gonna use my antenna pick or my dipstick pick, one of the two, and see if I can't get them. And click out a 1 and try not to hit. Try to work my way into the back. Oh, fuck. Cocksucker. Difficult not to overset those ones in the front. Start. Fuck. Tough to feel that one in the back. Restart this. Ah. All right. Let's see. Fairly certain that I tendency to overset the ones in the middle. So make sure the camera's still going. Try this one. These two have a slightly longer hook on them than I usually use. Oh, got it. And he's picked. Nice. Yeah, there we go. SEGAL. Rather difficult bidding with the 3 low and then the high in the back. But yeah, I got them. And sometimes these I don't know what it is, but these like cylinders always seem to give me more trouble than padlocks. But there we go.